Hey there, Relacti Automators, ready to dive into the thrilling world of automation? Whether you're a coding whiz or just figuring out your path, automation impacts you. Automation is here to stay, just like Grandma eventually loved her microwave. Let's break down what automation really means. Stay tuned. We're exploring the wild world of automation. From clunky robots to mind-blowing AI, we'll see how automation impacts various industries. Yes, there are downsides like job displacement, but also incredible opportunities. By the end, you'll be excited to navigate this brave new world of automation. Picture this: the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution in full swing. The power loom automated weaving, increasing efficiency but displacing jobs. Fast forward to Henry Ford's assembly line, revolutionizing mass production. Automation increased productivity but reduced the need for human labor. The writing was on the wall, machines were coming for our jobs, and they were just getting started. Fast forward to the mid-20th century. Computers and robots enter the scene. Early computers handled complex calculations, while robots performed repetitive tasks. These machines increased efficiency and precision in factories. Concerns about job displacement grew as automation advanced. Factories could now operate with fewer workers thanks to automation. AI is changing everything from self-driving cars to virtual assistants. AI can learn, adapt, and make decisions, blurring the lines between human and machine. While AI has potential for good and bad, we're far from dystopian scenarios. AI is automating cognitive tasks, impacting fields like healthcare and finance. The future of work will be shaped by AI's capabilities. The automated car wash is a microcosm of automation's impact. Manual labor gave way to spinning brushes and high-pressure jets. Automation disrupts traditional jobs but creates new opportunities. Industries like package sorting and food processing also leverage automation. It's a constant cycle of adaptation. Automation is transforming healthcare, giving doctors superhuman abilities. Robotic surgery allows for minimally invasive procedures with precision. Automation reduces errors and improves patient outcomes. AI-powered diagnostic tools help doctors make faster, accurate diagnoses. Robot assistants in hospitals make everyone's lives easier. Automation is transforming agriculture, from high-tech tractors to drones. Farmers can increase efficiency and reduce waste with automated systems. Robots sort, package, and even cook food in processing plants. Automation could create a more sustainable and efficient food system. Automation isn't just about robots stealing jobs. It creates new opportunities and makes our lives better. Automation can offload tedious tasks, freeing us for creative work. Let's dive into the sunny side of automation. Automation liberates us from repetitive tasks, boosting efficiency. Factories produce goods faster and with fewer errors. Automation increases accuracy and reduces human error. Robots handle hazardous tasks, improving safety. Automation is literally saving lives in dangerous industries. Section 3. New kids on the block. Jobs that didn't exist before robots. Remember when the internet was just a twinkle in Al Gore's eye? New technologies always create new industries and job opportunities. And guess what? Automation is no different. As robots and AI become more sophisticated, we're seeing an explosion of entirely new job sectors emerging. Take AI trainers, for example. Then there are the robot repair technicians. And let's not forget about the data scientists and AI ethicists. As automation evolves, expect more new job opportunities. Stay curious and embrace lifelong learning. Section 1. The elephant in the room, job displacement and you. All right, Relacti Automators, time to address the elephant in the room. The one wearing a hard hat and wielding a welding torch: job displacement. We've danced around it long enough, praising the efficiency and coolness of automation, but let's be real, it's a legitimate concern. Remember those car wash attendants, the weavers replaced by power looms, and the factory workers whose jobs got snatched by assembly lines? Well, they're not alone. Automation has been steadily chipping away at certain job sectors for decades, and as technology advances, that trend is only going to accelerate. Think about truck drivers, for example. Self-driving trucks are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're already being tested on roads today. And while it might be a while before they completely replace human drivers, it's not hard to imagine a future where most long-haul trucking is done autonomously. And that's just one example. Cashiers, customer service reps, even some types of lawyers and accountants, these are all professions that could see significant job losses due to automation in the coming years. Now, before you panic and start hoarding canned goods, remember that job displacement isn't always a one-to-one replacement. Section 2. The skills gap, when your resume needs a software update. Here's the thing, Relacti Automators. Automation isn't just about robots taking over entire jobs. It's also about changing the nature of work itself. As machines become more capable of handling routine tasks, the skills that employers are looking for are shifting. We're entering an era where technical skills, digital literacy, and the ability to work alongside machines are becoming increasingly important. This is what experts call the skills gap, the gap between the skills that employers need and the skills that the workforce currently possesses. Think about it this way. Imagine you're a factory worker whose job involved operating a machine that's now been automated. You might not be completely out of a job, but you'll likely need to learn new skills to operate and maintain that new automated system. Or maybe you're a customer service rep who now finds themselves interacting with more AI-powered chatbots than actual humans. You'll need to adapt your communication skills and learn how to work effectively within a more technology-driven environment. The good news is that this skills gap also presents an opportunity. By embracing lifelong learning, seeking out training programs, and developing in-demand skills, workers can position themselves for success in the age of automation. Let's talk about the gig economy. Remember those ride-sharing apps, food delivery services, and online freelance platforms? They offer flexibility and autonomy, but lack job security and benefits. Automation creates new gigs, but also threatens existing ones. Think about delivery drivers and self-driving vehicles. Is the gig economy the future or a path of uncertainty? Okay, I know what you're thinking. John, you whisper, your voice hoarse from shouting, this is all too much. Robots, AI, the gig economy imploding. I just want to curl up in a ball and watch reruns of The Jetsons. But before you ditch your smartphone and move to a remote island with no Wi-Fi, let's take a deep breath and remember something crucial. We're not powerless in the face of automation. Remember that whole humans are adaptable thing? Yeah, it's not just a catchy slogan, it's what we do. We've been navigating technological shifts for centuries, from the printing press to the internet, and we've always managed to come out on top. And guess what? This time is no different. Remember those video games you love, the ones where you level up your character by gaining new skills and abilities? Well, consider this your real-life side quest, Relic the Automators. It's time to level up your own skills and become a learning machine. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, the ability to learn and adapt is no longer optional. It's essential. The good news is that learning doesn't have to mean going back to school for a fancy degree. Although, hey, if that's your jam, go for it. We live in an age where knowledge is literally at our fingertips. Online courses, coding boot camps, industry workshops. There are endless opportunities to upskill, reskill, and generally expand your knowledge base. And don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned curiosity. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend conferences, follow thought leaders in your field, make learning a lifelong habit, and you'll be amazed at the doors it opens. But it's not just about technical skills, folks. Remember those uniquely human traits that robots can't replicate yet? Creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, emotional intelligence, collaboration. These are the skills that will set you apart in the age of automation. So, how do you cultivate these soft skills? Well, it's all about challenging yourself, stepping outside your comfort zone, and embracing experiences that push you to think differently and connect with others on a deeper level. So there you have it. Relic the Automators, a crash course through the wild world of automation. We've journeyed from the clunky robots of the past to the mind-blowing AI of today, explored the impact on industries from car washes to operating rooms, and even faced the elephant in the room, job displacement. But most importantly, we've learned that the future of work isn't some predetermined dystopia. It's a future we're creating right now, with every choice we make, every skill we learn, and every innovation we embrace. The key takeaway: stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. The future belongs to those who are willing to embrace change, to those who see automation not as a threat, but as an opportunity to shape a world where humans and machines work side by side, each playing to their strengths. So go forth, Relic the Automators, and be the architects of a future that's not just automated, but truly awesome.